We're back.
Mark Prada and Dave Learman.
How you doing, buddy?
Pretty good, David. You're back.
Yeah.
Great stuff.
You been Christmas shopping?
Yeah, as a matter of fact, I finished today.
I did too. I hated it. You know, I went to a major department store and over at that mall in Dearborn, that big mall, and in one of the major department stores, they have like a place where you can get your insurance done. How many people like go out there and like say, yeah, honey, I'm going out to get some long underwear. Yeah, I think I'll get the insurance done too. I don't get it. You know, did you get like all your gifts for Christmas?
I got them all. Oh no, you mean received my?
No, I mean, did you buy them?
Yes,
I went
have.
buying gifts.
I told you I'm broke.
The stupidest thing in the world, buying gifts. You know what they're selling on the market? The All My Children board game and like the Rambo Big Wheel. I mean, who buys this stuff? Come on.
Someone said today, I look up to Jewish people because they make a killing at Christmas. They make all the money. They're great salespeople. They're the best salespeople in the world. They make all the money.
I don't
Christmas
get it.
time. You don't get it?
Oh, phone number 271-2600 is our phone number.
313.
But wait, okay, have you guys seen these? Can we hold this up to this other camera? The Bill Cosby action figures. Can we get a shot?
That's nice.
Can somebody get a shot of these here? The Bill Cosby action figures.
And they're shiny too.
Yeah, what it is you know, with the success of the big Cosby show, we have these Bill Cosby. There's quite a variety. I don't know if we can get a shot of this one here. We got another Bill Cosby action figure. This is Bill Cosby as a youth. This is, can you check it out?
Oh yeah, that's
Bill Cosby.
No, that's all Weird Harold, isn't it?
No, this is Bill Cosby as a boy. You're ruining my shtick here, okay?
Okay.
I don't know what else. It's like everybody, you know, is getting in on this. Have you seen these? This is the Mary Lou Retton action figure. Can we check this out here? The Mary Lou Retton action figure. Have you seen this? The Mary Lou Retton action doll. And she does gymnastics, fully posable. I think the market's great. I don't know. I want to buy one of them Don Johnson figures. You know,
yeah, with the sport coat and everything.
With Barbie and stuff. So what's up, man?
Oh, speaking about shopping. When I was a very young man, a very respectable and influential person in my life took me aside and he said to me, he put his arm around me and he said, young man, he said, someday you will learn a new thing every day. And I said, oh, that's interesting. And as a matter of fact, today I learned a new thing. And one thing that I will probably never forget for the rest of my life is that when you're shopping, never come between a woman and her sale. Okay, because women and sales are incredible. I mean,
got like some lacerations on my neck. Some woman going
some people
for some
think I got a haircut.
Things.
I didn't get a haircut. My hair has been pulled from my head.
I know. Our parking lot.
Yes, on fairs.
Have you tried to Parada, baby?
Yes.
Have you tried to park at this holiday season?
Oh, jeez.
Oh my gosh.
And then another thing, you ladies, when you get out of your car, be careful, because some of us have new ones.
No,
and men. Okay, especially very heavy people.
Bigfoot trucks, you know.
They get out, and you're parked next to them. And you have to park close during the holiday season because there's not as many spaces. And they get out of their cars, and they go, boom! And they throw their doors up. Some of us have new cars, you know.
Some of us.
Things like this.
You know. Well, let's keep the video moving. What do we got coming up, buddy?
For video-wise?
Video-wise.
Oh, video-wise, we've got...
Oh, no, we don't have videos. We have commercials.
Well, let's go into commercials right now. Hey, can we do it right now?
Can we?
Back Porch Video commercials.
Right now.
Toodles.
I could be happy.